Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is AE Beauty Glamps. If you're new here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always turning back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrow. Just simple steps and the things or the items that you need to start doing your eyebrow. Please remember to subscribe. Can you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet? If you like this video, you just give me that thumbs up, and yeah, we move. So without wasting much time, let's start with the items that you need for your eyebrow, whatever. Okay, so yeah, let's start. If you are oily skin, okay, some people may use the matte primer, okay, oil free. Okay, you have to use the oil free primer so that you can use it to set your eyebrow. At some to use the powder, the pressed powder or the loose powder, they use it to set their eyebrow. Okay, you can use Sasha Buttercup or any loose powder that you have. You use it to set your eyebrow so that it can be matte for you. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. And after that, then you use the spoolie to brush. If you don't want to use the powder, you can use your primer, okay, or the glue that you use for lashes. You can use it to set it so that it will look matte the whole day for you. So this is what I am using the spoolie for. Okay, I am putting the brow into shape. You can also use the gel to put the brow into shape, but we are not there yet. I'll show you how to use the gel as well. Okay, so have you seen how my pencils are very sharp? It have to have that pointed dot here, okay, so that when you are drawing your brow, you can have that nice shape that you are looking for. Starting, you make sure that you start first. You see, then when you are starting at the front here, you make sure that you give a gap. You shouldn't start at the front here. Can you see that? Then now you fill in. Can you see that? Then after that, you went in with your spoolie. Then you come back to the front again. Now we are using this gel, okay, so that the eyebrow can be in shape. Can you see how the brows are in shape? So now we are using the flat brush. We are using the lighter concealer. So make sure that you start at the, take your time. You take your time to conceal it. Don't rush, just take your time, okay? Don't rush. Can you see it? Then after that, you clean it off. Now we are using the concealer that is closer to our skin, so that when you are blending, you can blend it out easily. You don't want any harsh line. Take your time here. done. So you just use the brush, or if the brush is not good for you, you can use sponge that you see that you are okay, blend it out, or you use the brush as I show you. Okay, you blend in the concealer, blend it, you buff it out. Okay, and after doing it, to avoid it creasing, you can use the powder to set it. Okay, you can use the powder to set it to avoid creasing. Okay, you use your powder to set it. Can you see it? I'm not using the concealer, I'm using the foundation that is closer to my skin. And here too, you need to take your time to conceal it. Okay, don't rush things out. Yeah, I'm coming to use the gel for the second brow. Yeah, just repeating the second steps here, and the difference is I'm using the gel for this. One thing about the gel eyeliner is that it's dry quickly. Okay, so here's it. Using the same gel for it. Okay, sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give up. Just take your time to conceal. Okay, it's of me, and honestly my life wouldn't be the same without you. And babe, we're not just friends, but we more than friends. We just have a moment on you. You think I'm stone cold, tripping, made a mistake of being teased. I just want to load, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no. After wiping it, I'm going in with the concealer that is closer to my skin. I'm just repeating what I did to this brow. Okay, then you come back, you start at the front slightly. Dancing queen, she's attending for wish, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make them move with your eyes. Just the past is past, not my love still doesn't away. Take your brush or whatever, you blend it out. Take your time and blend it out. Blend. For the concealer not to crease, you go in with your pressed powder or setting powder. What am I saying? For your concealer not to crease, go in with your loose powder or the pressed powder, whatever. Okay, yeah, do it gently. Okay, I'm going with the same foundation that is closer to my skin, and please take your time here to Guys, it's not easy, but you have to take your time. Just have to take your time. Take your time. Okay, can you see that? You take your time. You conceal it. Can you see how sharp it is? Yeah, you don't have to rush it, okay? And when you want to be perfect, you just have to practice, okay? They said practice make man perfect, so you just have to practice and practice, okay? There is one thing that I wanted to make it clear here. Eyebrow, they are not twins, okay? They are sisters. So you just have to make sure that you use your eye to make sure that, oh, they all look the same. Even some will be big, some will be small. So yeah, don't force yourself, don't kill yourself, okay? Yeah, you blend, okay? Blend. And we don't want to have any balls here, so you just have to blend, and you are done, okay? You are done. So and, what I'm about to do is optional, okay? You can decide to leave it like this, or you go in with a loose powder to set your brow in shape, okay? This is optional. You can decide to leave it like that, okay? But I am just going extra mile, okay? And I'm not baking. My eyebrow is not done, so I just have to clean or wipe off the powder. Just have to wipe it off. Everything off, and voila, you are done. Can you see it? Yes, you just have to practice, okay? As I said earlier on, practice. So here is it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is very helpful. If it does, give it a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe down below, okay? Subscribe so that you will be seeing more videos of this. And can't you see I'm doing video? So yeah, so see you in my next video.